How to create a Instagram post with text. What's up everyone? In this tutorial we're going to see how to easily create Instagram posts using text. It can be a meaningful way to create a post and engage with your followers. This is a very effective way from which you can increase your engagement. Let's see how you can do it. First thing that you want to do is head over to your story section. And from here, you just want to tap on this create. Now just tap to type here so you can type anything you want. So you type that you want in your post. So once you have typed in your text, there are different customizations that you can do. So if you tap on the text, you can change its font. So here is a new Halloween font that Instagram just added. Then you can add something special effects like these on your text. And once you do this, you can even change the animation. So I'm just going to change it to this one right here. And you can even change the background if you like. And you can change the size of their text like this. So once all of this is done, you can tap on this save icon at the top right corner and just tap on save. Now this will save this picture or this video on your phone's gallery and you can upload it from there. So once the video is saved, you can discard this, and from here you're going to tap on this little plus sign at the bottom and choose this current video. And once you do this, you can just tap on next and then simply share this on your profile. And once it will be shared, you can easily share it with your followers. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video.